Making a noise in this world, making a noise in this world. You can bet your ass I won't go quietly, making a noise in this world. Everyone has a song, God gave us each a song. That's how we know who we are. Everyone has a song. We have come, heed the drum. The land trembles with dancing. We have come, bang the drum. The land trembles with dancing. Making a noise in this world, making a noise in this world. You can bet your ass I won't go quietly, making a noise in this world. I don't want your promise, I don't want your whiskey, I don't want your blood on my hand. Only want what belongs to me. I think you thought I was gone. I think you thought I was dead. You won't admit that you was wrong. Ain't that some shit that should be said?
I am here in solidarity with the Wet'suwet'en people that are fighting the Keystone XL pipeline. It is bringing disgustingly dirty tar sands oil, one south into the United States, and more so with the Wet'suwet'en, they are trying to blockade a pipeline going to the Pacific Ocean in Canada that will be taking this dirty oil to the east, basically China and some other countries, and they're basically wanting to go over stolen native land with these pipelines, and the Wet'suwet'en are trying to prevent that from happening.
Here standing with the indigenous people of North America. I think people across the world are also standing with us. This is an International Day. We're trying to turn around what's happened to our earth, corporations, and the greed, and we're burning so much oil, coal, and we're talking about tar sands being transported. So clean energy is the way.
Because everybody's
Our children's children.
I'd like to know why I am the only 23-year-old standing out here, why my generation is not concerned about our environment.
The Keystone Pipeline, all the tar sands and the fracking. We absolutely have to develop clean energy sources. What I see is
They want to put in a 700-mile pipeline, oil pipeline, and we all have to stand together
with our indigenous brothers and sisters in Canada, stop them taking their land and their water. It's an atrocity. I don't know more, baby, because we don't have no more to give.
Wow.